How to change Uber country. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change country in Uber app so without any delay. Let's begin with the video, but don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe before we start the video. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to open the Uber app as you normally do. After that, turn on your location. So what happens is if you have switched to a new location or a different country, what happens is Uber automatically detects the location if the Uber application is available in that country. You just need to enter the pickup point. After that, just write your drop point as well. But before that, we just need to turn on this location. Let me just turn on the location on my device. Turn on, and after that you can see this where to option on your screen. So what you need to do is simply tap your location there, and you may just set it accordingly like now, and you're set a timer to your driver. After that, the trip, if that Uber application is available in any of the countries that you have switched to, the driver of the Uber will come pick you up, or you may just contact the driver very easily. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to change your country on Uber app very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.